Welcome back. We're jumping into part 3 of our series breaking down the Virtualization Options LLC report on building a truly effective AI training program. Today, we're talking about something huge, AI security training for everyone. Now, before we get started, I just have to read the official bit. This is part 3 of a 20-part overview of a comprehensive report on how to set up an effective ongoing AI training program to maximize the efficiency and effectiveness of initiatives throughout an organization by Virtualization Options LLC, and discusses a fraction of what is in the full report and discusses the benefits, complexities of adopting such a program. If you want to discuss your training transformation options, we suggest you contact Virtualization Options LLC. This brief overview comes with no warranty. Okay, with the formalities out of the way, let's dive in.
So, here's our game plan. First up, we're going to tackle why AI security is suddenly everybody's job. Then we'll get into the real meat of it, the 3 core pillars of awareness: data privacy, algorithmic bias, and the crazy world of AI regulations. And we'll finish up by looking at how you can take all of that knowledge and turn it into a practical internal playbook that actually works for your company. All right, let's get right to the heart of it. The game has totally changed. With all these new generative AI tools popping up left and right, in marketing, in sales, you name it, AI security is no longer just an IT problem. It's not something locked away in a server room anymore. Nope. Every single person in your organization is now officially on the front lines, making choices every day that have serious security consequences.
And you know what that means, right? The old way of doing things is just, well, it's broken. That boring once-a-year security training, the one everyone just clicks through to get it over with, it's completely useless against the kind of threats we're seeing now, which are themselves being powered by AI. To stay ahead, your training has to be a living, breathing thing that's constantly being updated.
So how do we even begin to build that? Well, the report lays out this really smart framework built on these key pillars of awareness, things that every single employee absolutely has to understand. We're going to walk through the big 3: privacy, bias, and regulations, and then we'll see how they all lock together to help you build that all-important internal policy. Let's kick things off with your most critical asset, your data.
Let's dig into our first pillar. This is all about that critical intersection where these powerful AI systems meet your data. And I'm talking about all of it: customer info, internal strategy documents, secret sauce code. You know, understanding how AI is using, processing, and maybe even exposing this data is, without a doubt, the ground floor of modern security.
First things first, let's be super clear about what we mean by AI data privacy. This isn't just about putting up a digital wall. It's a much bigger idea. Think of it like a 3-legged stool. You've got security, which is crucial, but you also have ethics, handling data in a way that's fair, and compliance, making sure you're following the law. If any one of those legs is wobbly, the whole thing comes crashing down.
And here's the kicker. Just telling people to be careful with data is not a strategy. Your teams need specific, practical training. They have to know exactly how the AI tools you're using handle sensitive information, what happens when that data flies across borders, and how in the world do you stay compliant with a tangled mess of rules like GDPR and CCPA. These aren't just good questions, they're essential ones.
All right, moving on to our second pillar, and this one is a doozy. You could have an AI system that is totally secure, totally compliant with every privacy law on the books, and it could still be a massive, ticking time bomb for your company if it's biased. This is where we move past the technical stuff and get into the integrity of your actual operations.
So what even is algorithmic bias? Simply put, it's when an AI makes mistakes that are not random. They're systematic, repeatable, and they create unfair results. Just imagine an AI tool built to screen resumes. If it was trained on your company's past hiring decisions, it might learn to favor candidates from certain backgrounds and unfairly penalize others, even if they're perfectly qualified. That's not a glitch, it's a baked-in prejudice that can open you up to all sorts of legal and reputational disasters.
This is exactly why every employee needs to be trained on ethics. You need people who can actually spot the potential for bias in the tools they're using every day. They need to understand the very real damage these unfair outcomes can cause. And, maybe most importantly, they need a clear process to raise a red flag and get an issue reviewed before it blows up into a full-blown crisis.
Okay, on to pillar number 3, the wild, ever-changing world of AI regulations. Look, keeping up with this stuff isn't just for your lawyers anymore. Anyone who is buying, building, or even just using AI tools needs to have a solid grasp of the rules of the road. Because let me tell you, that road is constantly under construction.
And this really shows you why it's so tricky. There's no single rulebook for AI. If you're doing business in Europe, you've got the EU AI Act to worry about. Here in the US, it's a growing patchwork of state and federal rules. And if you're in a specific industry, like healthcare or finance, you have a whole other layer of rules like HIPAA or FINRA that you have to map onto your AI use. Your training has to reflect this messy reality.
And that brings us to the final and most important piece of the puzzle. We've talked about the three big areas of knowledge: privacy, ethics, and regulations. That's all great, but knowledge without action is useless. Now it's time to turn all that learning into a concrete, actionable plan. It's time to build your internal playbook.
This is where the rubber meets the road. All that foundational knowledge we just talked about, it gets poured into creating a clear, simple, internal AI policy. This document becomes your North Star. It's the guide for everything: how you build AI, how you buy it, and how every department uses it. It's the thing that turns good intentions into consistent, safe behavior across the whole company.
I really want to pause on this quote from the report because it just says it all. The whole idea of a one-size-fits-all training program is dead. A developer's risks are totally different from someone in marketing. An executive faces a different set of challenges than someone in HR. Truly effective training gets that. It's calibrated to the day-to-day reality of what each person actually does.
So, I'll just leave you with this one question to chew on. Let's be real. Your employees are already using AI. I guarantee it. Whether you have a policy or not, it's happening. So the only question that really matters is your organization actually prepared for what that means?
Look, what we've walked through today is really just that foundational security layer for all employees, based on the report's findings. To build a truly comprehensive program that's tailored to specific roles, well, that's a much bigger conversation. For expert help in building that kind of tailored solution for your team, the report suggests you contact Virtualization Options LLC.